Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Super N from Alphabet Lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off on the left side, and let's draw a line down, curving it out, and back in like this. Then from the top, let's bring it over to the right, and then curve it down at the end. And then hop up from the bottom and let's draw an S-shaped curve down on an angle. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a curve right here. Now from the bottom, let's bring it down and then curve it in at the bottom. And then from the other side of the line, let's bring a long angle down to the right. Now let's move over to the bottom left and let's draw an S-shaped curve down like this. And then a curve down on the right. And then close it off at the bottom. Now let's move over and finish drawing the right side. From the top in the middle here, let's draw an S-shaped curve up. Then let's curve it over to the right and down. Now underneath, a wavy line down like this. Then from the bottom, let's bring it straight down. And then one more curve at the bottom to close it off. And that's it for the shape of the letter N. Let's move in and draw the face next. Let's start by drawing the left eye on the top left with a rounded rectangle. And then the other eye on the right side here. Next, let's erase the overlapping lines inside. Next, inside each eye, let's draw the eyelid with lines across. Next, in each eye, let's draw a large U shape. Then inside each one in the top left corner, let's draw a curve. And then a longer curve to the right. And now a small circle in the center. And now behind, let's draw curved lines. And then let's color the top left sections in black. And that's it for the eyes. Let's move in and draw the mouth. In the gap here on the left, let's draw 4 lines for the teeth. Now let's move down on the bottom left and let's draw 2 curves. Then on top of these lines, let's draw a curve here, a curve down on the left, and then from the bottom, a curve out and back up. Then let's erase the overlapping lines inside. Next, inside, let's add a border to the shape. Next, let's add some detailed curve lines inside the body. Let's start with a curve above the band here, and then below. Then let's hop up and draw 2 curves, and then 2 curves on the top right near the eye here, and then 1 below the right eye. Lastly, let's move up and draw the hair. On the top left, let's draw a wavy line up, down, and back up. And then let's follow that same curve above to close it off. And that's it for Super N. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!